clothes behind.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no, baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're burning up. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine China.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday and I'm late for service. I always do this thing where because I think, or because I know that my service is just 5 minutes away from my house, I don't get ready until it's rush hour. Do you get? Does anybody also have this? Like maybe where your office is just like a stone throw and you're like, oh, okay, I'll soon stand up. Then you look at the time and you're like, oh, it's almost time, and then you start rushing. Just because in your head, I can take 2 minutes to get ready. And at the end of the day, you end up rushing. So I'm literally rushing now. And yeah, I have my small bag, my boo-boo that you guys already know. So I'm rushing now. I didn't do any skincare because I just want my skin to breathe. I don't want anything on my face because all the things I've been using, all the skincare recommendation, buy this, I'll buy. So when I buy this, I'll buy. So when I buy this, I'll buy. My face is still, it's even getting worse. Like I wake up to a new acne. Like I saw something on my, like close to my eyes that wasn't there 2 days ago. So I'm just like, okay, let me just stop and see what is going to happen. If I don't use anything, I'm not going to use sunscreen. That's how bad it is. Let me just test and see what's going to happen. Yeah, so I'll see you guys.
And you wish to do the desire of your father. That one was in.
You guys, I just got back from service. It's past 3. The sun outside is crazy. I'm about to film. I don't know if you can see this chair. This is where I do my sit down videos. So I'm about to film 2 videos. One very funny and exciting one. I just got the idea like 5 days ago, or like 4 or 5 days ago. So I want to call my friends and tell them I love them, just to get their reaction. It's going to be a very awkward video. It's up on my channel now, so watch it and let me know your thoughts. It's going to be a fun video. So I just finished filming the most hilarious video ever. See, if you have not seen that video, go and watch it. Go and watch it and laugh. What did I say? Go and watch it and laugh. I'm so hungry now. It's almost 5. I need to look for something to eat. I have what to eat. I have spaghetti already made and plantain. So I'm just going to, it's my plantain. I'm just going to cut and fry this plantain. Obviously, I have to cut it before I fry it.
China, favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're burning up.
guys, I'm just here to tell you guys that health is wealth. Whatever you do, don't fall sick. I came down with something immediately. The video on Sunday went up, like a few hours after I posted it. I came down with something and it was the most painful thing ever. So I've been dealing with that. Today is Friday, so I've not even picked up my phone to vlog. I've been dealing with that for about 4 days now. My mom even had to come to take care of me. See, I'm grateful for the gift of parents. Grateful for the gift of parents, mom and dad, because I don't know how I would have gone through that thing by myself. I'm better now. I'm stable now. I'm okay now. I came here to wash. I don't know if you can see my clothes behind. I have a lot of dirty clothes and I came to the laundromat to wash because these guys are going to increase washing fee from October 1st. So this is my last chance to use their current price before they increase the fee. I don't know what it is. The cost of living is killing the living. Cost of living is strangling us. But anyway, let's go and wash today. I'm going out today, this evening. I want to just go out and have fun because this week has been tough. So I'm going to do my nails and do my pedicure. See, I want to just glam up for this event I have tonight. I'm going with Moyo. You guys will see Moyo in the later on in this vlog. So let's go and wash. I just got back from making my nails and yeah, white nails. I painted my nails white. I don't know if I like this because white is usually nice, but I feel like it's high maintenance. You have to always be careful of what you touch, what you eat, like where your hands go, where your fingers go, so that they don't get stained. And sometimes I just want to be free. I'm not about that. I can't do this because of my nails. But let's see. I might like it at the end of the day, and I might take care of it very well. Let's see if it will last 1 week without getting stained. Okay, so I'm all dressed up now. I'm ready for my event. Moyo is on our way here. It's a very casual outdoor event, so I'm casual. One thing you always see me wear is black. I don't have time. I don't have energy, so I just threw on this black top and this blue jeans. And where's my bag? My bag is inside, but I'm going to wear this sandal today because yeah, I'm not wearing heels, obviously not. So this will do. And my scent of the day or scent of the night, because it's like past 6 already. This event was supposed to be for 3 p.m. That's what they said, but look at the time now, 6. Anyway, scent of the day, Versace Cristanoa and my Givenchy. So yeah, let's smell amazing when we're out. So guys, we're going now, and I hope to be back early, back before 10, because I'm still, that reminds me, I need to use my drugs. I'm still a little bit not strong yet, but we move. I'm going to use my drugs, and I'm going to go out, I'm going to have fun, and I'm going to see you guys.
Jameson! Say Afro, you say vibes. Afro! Afro! Anything with some, I'm gonna need my weakness. Yeah.
If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me.
The biggest masquerade. You know how we do it. When it's on the drums, you know how we do it, ladies and gentlemen. It's about to be on tonight. So keep posting, keep posting. I want to bring up Africa's biggest masquerade tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, I've got in my drums alongside High King. Ladies and gentlemen, it's what's going on tonight. It's what's going on tonight.
If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see, boy. I know where I wanna be. I just wanna know what you live in me, boy. Yeah, yeah. You know I wanna be around. I'm talking more than what my heart is in my head. So I think I'm living.
Hey guys, I just got back home. This is at past 11. The event was actually fun, and I got this. It's like my first time getting this. It was so exciting. The event was fun. We went late, but it was fun. And you know how Nigerian events are. Some people were coming as we were leaving. It was so much fun. I'm going to end the vlog here because this vlog must go up tomorrow, Saturday, and I have to start another one on Sunday. But my next vlog is even going to be more fun, I promise you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Subscribe. See, I've already removed all my things. See, a girl is tired. I'm going to bed. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Let me know what you want to see on my channel. Like this video, comment below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.